Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to discuss about some special keywords, special operators which are called keyof and typeof. So I do have a function and I'm returning a value. Let's take an example. You do have a function where you're performing some operation and it's going to return you the an object or some complex data type. So what you can do is what I want to create a type of this return value so that I can use this type somewhere in my program. In that case, you can use a keyword called type. Typeof, you just specify the function. It will automatically infer the data return type from the function, and it's going to give you the type of this function return type. And if you want to store it, you just need to use type or interface, and I'm going to name it response data. If I see the type of this, now you see it is exactly the same as what we are returning from the function. It is Boolean and it is number array. Perfect. And if you have a type, let's take an example, type car, and you have like some model number, and it's going to be 4x4. I'm going to do it. Let's do this 4x4 Boolean year number. Now, if you want to extract keys from this type as a value, you can use another keyword that is called keyof. Keyof. Now, if you want to store this key of car, you can use type car keys is equal to this. As you see, you will receive all the keys like model 4x and year from this type to this type. Let's try to use it. Let car keys, which is going to be car keys, and here I can assign 4x for model or year. This is very handy when you are working with complex projects. If you want to reuse these keys, your type keys, you cannot use this keyof with the real objects. It's just with the type. This is type. This is not the object. Right? If you want to use this with keys of your type, which enhance the reusability of your type, you just need to use keyof. And there is a special case. What if I have an actual object with these values? Okay. Maybe 2, 9. Yes. Let's name it something. Now it's an actual object. It's not the type. Now if you want to extract keys from this object as a tuple, as an array of string, or as an array of keys, you can use a combination of keyof and typeof. Okay. I want to extract let's start with type. I want to extract type of this car. This is an object. If I do this type of car, so it's going to extract the type of this car, and it's going to be, let's store it in some type so that we can get to know. Car. Okay, now we have the type of this object. And if we know we can extract keys from the type, and type of giving us the type of this object. Now if I use the keyof just before the type of, and if I see the car type, we have all the keys as a tuple, so that we can use these keys anywhere in my program. This is very handy when you are using map in your React projects and you're traversing the all the elements coming from the API, and whenever you're using map, it is complaining like your map callback argument is any type. So you just need to extract this and give the these keys as a type to your callback argument. It's going to work like charm.